the perfect black girl blonde. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am JHBU, and on my channel we talk about all things beauty, fashion, DIY, pretty much everything I love to do. I show you how to do it. We're in my bathroom, so you know what that means. It's a hair video. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on my other social media platforms. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, I'm on TikTok at JHBTV and JHBTV.beauty on every platform. I'm a busy girl. But let's talk about this hair. This is the infamous invisible crochet. And I tried a couple of different methods, but this is the OG. This is the first one I did. And I wanted to do it from the beginning because I wanted to use a different color hair. So many people asking, can you color the hair? And I'm sure you can color the hair because I do have a video of me coloring the hair, but it was dark. But because of that, I decided to try the hair in color form. This is a beautiful blonde blend, black blonde blend. It's ombre, dark at the roots, perfect for my hair. It is by Hotbraids, and they sent me their kinky feather crochet hair, and I think this is 22 inches, I think. But whatever it is beautiful because it is perfect. Y'all know the kinky hair always eats, right? So before we get into the video, again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hype the video up if you have any hypes left. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So you know I always start off with my foundation. If you saw my previous video, then you already know what this foundation is. This time I do not have the center braided for those that were confused. All I do is braid very small single braids going back. Make sure I have a perimeter braid around the lower back and then do the rest in some sort of beehive. Of course, you're going to use a crochet hook and you're going to use feather crochet hair. Again, this is by Hotbraids. It is their balayage blonde with the black roots. And as you can see, each strand is really full. So I always like to start off with the back perimeter braid because to me that is one of the most important parts. And the best way to do it is to pull the crochet hook from the top, pull the hair underneath, and then loop both pieces in one and then pull it down underneath. I know that when sometimes people crochet, they only pull one string through, but that makes it harder to take out. This creates like a slip knot so that when it comes to taking it out, it's not locked in. I go ahead and do that back perimeter braid close together, as well as the top and the sides closer together, because again, that is the most important part to me. I always want those parts to be the most seamless. Now, as you can see, once you finish that perimeter braid, when you pull it up, it looks very seamless from the bottom to the end, and this will be flat. My base is a little loose. That's because I've had it in for a few days, so don't mind that. Make sure you do this on a fresh base. So instead of doing the braided in technique, I'm just doing the regular technique by crocheting it in at the very front. People were concerned about the string hanging, but honestly, that actually makes it more seamless. So I've grown accustomed and okay with the actual extra string hanging out. For me, it just makes the style more flexible, especially as it grows out. Okay, so I don't know exactly how much hair I have in, but I just want to say the most important parts about the hair foundation is to make sure that you do this back perimeter braid and fill that up, because that is going to be the seamless part when you pull it up in a ponytail. And then in the last video, I didn't have this part out, but it's out now. And then you want to make sure that you put enough right here and then enough back here so that you can cover the hair that's going to be in the back. So you want to make sure that it is full right here, all the way right here, and around the back. Then the rest can be kind of just filled in a little sparingly. And this hair is really thick, so even though the strings might feel like they're close together, they don't have to be, because this hair is thick. And really right here is just to make sure that it's flat, but you can spread them out. Once you get all this part together, the rest needs to be really like spread out evenly if possible. So the hair is all installed and this is what it looks like. This hair is so full. Number one is full, okay? It's a lot of hair. This is what the front looks like. Now we're gonna see what it looks like after I flat iron it, which is probably gonna be significantly smaller, but a lot of people liked it when it was like this. So this is an option to keep it like this if you like it like that. It's very beautiful, very soft. I can't admit that this hair is extremely soft. For it to be colored, most colored hair is not really that soft, you know what I mean? Because it's extra processed and, you know, some of the integrity has been messed up. So I'm surprised that it's this color and it's this soft. I just keep running my fingers through it. So nice. This is the back. That is the back. Lot of hair, lot of hair. So now all we're gonna do is straighten it and see what it does. See how it straightens. The ends look good, but I'm probably gonna trim it after I straighten it. Now, I normally say that I wash all my hair, but I did not wash this hair. I actually forgot. So this is not washed. So we're just gonna flat iron it on non-washed hair. We're gonna hope it does well. But I am gonna do an updated maintenance routine, washing it and everything, so we can see how it looks with the water and how it handles the water. But that's probably gonna be like in a week or so. So with that being said, like, comment, and subscribe so you do not miss another one of my videos. Because I will be doing an updated routine on this because we want to see how it does over time. You know, we can get the hair, it looks good at first, but we need to see how it lasts because we want this hair to last. We want this hair to last, especially if we're paying our hard-earned coins for it, right? We want it to last. I feel like that's what hair is all about, to be able to reuse it over and over again. Because people always ask me, can you reuse it? Can you reuse it? You should be able to, okay? You should be able to reuse it. So we're gonna tap back in about 2 weeks to see how it does with maintenance and everything. I'm gonna use to flat iron my hair. I'm gonna use my favorite flat iron. I rant and rave about this flat iron because it's cheap, but it works so good and it's perfect for this kinky hair. And then I'm gonna go in with the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Stay Heat Activated Serum. And this is just a high shine serum. So this actually keeps it straight, but this is like a heat protectant too. But if you just want like some shine on it, then you don't have to use that, but that's what I'm gonna use. It just takes away some of that dullness, mainly because my hair has like a little bit of a sheen to it and it kind of makes it match better. But if your hair doesn't have like that shine to it, then you don't have to use that. I'm sure it'll do good without having to use anything on it. Maybe a heat protectant of some sort, but yeah. Also, you could blow dry it first too to help it straighten out. Just depends, but we're just gonna go straight in with the flat iron. So that is the end of the video, and I'm just gonna give you my final assessment about the hair. Number one, this hair is so soft. You would think that using hair that has color in it wouldn't be as soft. This hair, I mean, it was soft before I straightened it. Now that I straightened it, it is extremely soft, and I feel like you don't need anything on it. I feel like if you put something on it, it'll make it tangle. So don't put anything on it. Just leave it just natural. But it is so soft, I can't stop running my fingers through it. It is such a beautiful blend of all the blondes. I mean, look at those highlights. The highlights are perfect. It's like, I think it's like a 3-tone blonde. It's like an ash blonde too, so it's not like a honey blonde. I think this is a perfect black girl blonde. The perfect black girl blonde. I love the ombre roots because it just makes it blend way better. It makes it look more natural. I love this hair. It is so pretty, so nice. I'm so glad I tried color. Now that I know I look good in color, I wonder if I look good in like brown. That might be my next video. I don't know. But that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. Again, if you have any questions, any recommendations, just anything you want to know, feel free to leave it down in the comment section below. I try to answer all my questions that are left for me. If I have the answer, I try to answer. If I have the answer, I try to answer. Also, I try to take your questions and make new videos, so I really appreciate all the comments, all the love, all the support, and thank you again for stopping by. Until next time, I'll talk to you later.